I'm Gareth Long and I'm Head of Sports Performance at acpe. Sports performance degrees are for those people that like to help others to develop their own sporting and fitness performance. Yeah, so we have 3 main degrees under sports performance. We have our sports coaching management, sports coaching strength and conditioning, and our Bachelor of Applied Fitness. You're very lucky at acpe to be learning in world-leading facilities. You're also exposed to the latest technology and equipment that the industry uses now and that the industry will be using in the future. You'll also be taught by industry experts as part of the course in terms of guest lectures and workshops and additional qualifications. And also in your work placements and potential internships, you have opportunity to fulfill these in sporting clubs, sporting associations and sporting businesses. Also, the staff at acpe are not only teaching the theory around sports coaching and fitness, but they're also applying that every day in their own coaching and fitness contexts. Also, acpe, it's really important for us that you obviously get your degree, but that you also get real life experience and additional qualifications in the industry. So for example, you'll have opportunities to take strength and conditioning qualifications, fitness qualifications, sports coaching qualifications, officiating qualifications, just to name a few. You get the chance to develop the knowledge, the skills and the additional qualifications that our students then apply in high performance contexts, talent development contexts, and of course the important role of working with the general population in the participation context. We're very proud of our sports performance graduates who have gone out into the industry as, for example, coaches, strength and conditioning experts, high performance managers, gym owners, coaching directors, coach educators. And it's really great to know that what our students have learned in the degree and in their experiences around the degree, they're out there applying in the industry, not just what the industry has always done, but being innovative and leading best practice.